Prorated continues, so it doesn't matter whether you use the by time or by mileage. Follow these steps to complete the warranty. If the total charge needs to be changed, select the edit and edit the line item from the properties. The to be paid by customer and vendor fields are automatically calculated based on the by time or by mileage used entries. Edits can be made to the paid by customer or vendor field if needed. Remember, check against the manufacturer's warranty, and any edits will automatically update those particular fields. Select the vendor, add any comment if you would like, and again, with labor, we always have the chargeback. Okay, so the features under the labor is going to work the same as the materials. The only difference is you have the ability to do the chargeback on those. Tire wear. Okay, tire wear, as we see in here, is the one we processed right here on the tire itself. Oh, sorry. Let me go back. I want to show you guys this too. If you want to change your mind, I did this warranty as a by mileage. If I want to do it as a tread wear, then what I do is simply go in and select remove the warranty. So that warranty has been disqualified. I can then go back to the tire, select warranty, and now I can use the tread wear, which will normally be the default for all of your tires. We go to the next screen. Here's the warranty. Now, the software is set to automatically set a minimum tread depth of 2/32. I'm assuming, I'm not a tire guy, but I'm assuming normally that's when you're not going to have any more warranty. When that tire gets down to 2/32, I seriously doubt there's going to be any warranty on it. Enter the tread depth when the tire was new. Enter the current tread depth. In this case, let's say it's down to 8/32, or again, you guys can use millimeters. And when I process this, that tells me that that's 25% consumed. Now, I looked at this earlier today and it confused me for a second, so let me explain to you. Why is it saying 8 is going to be 25%? It's because the warranty goes away at 2%. Okay, so keep in mind the 2/32 of tread depth, which disqualifies the warranty. Okay, so this customer has used 25% of the tire warranty itself. Again, we get the to be paid by customer, to be paid by vendor as a prorated type scenario, again, against the tire wear. Okay, simply identify your vendor. Okay. And again, any comments, you could write out what's wrong with the tire if you wanted. Again, your comments are internal. Process the warranty. All the calculations then come back to the work order. Guys, those are the 3 types of warranties. I'd like to take you back and just review the tire wear. The minimum tread depth will be automatically calculated from the software. Enter the tread depth when new, when the tire was purchased. Enter the current tread depth when the warranty claim is being processed. The value in the used fields will display as a percentage the amount of tire or warranty that has been consumed by the customer. Okay. The total charges if the total charges needed to be changed, select the edit, just like in all the other warranties. The to be paid by customer vendor fields will automatically recalculate. Okay. Select the vendor for the warranty. Add any comments you want. Click OK to commit to your changes. Those are the 3 types of warranty: simple, prorated, and tire wear. They're all pretty simple to work with. The last thing we want to talk about is going to be the processing internal warranties. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. And the reason why is because while there's several ways to process internal warranties, we recommend that you talk to your accountant or your business coach on the best ways or best practices that they want you to process these, because there's probably 100 different ways to do it in the software. There are 2 options I'm going to just quickly walk you through, which are real simple. Option number 1, Add the warranty service package. As always, start the work order for the customer and the vehicle. Add the warranty service package onto the work order. Add the warranty materials. Edit any sell prices to the amount the customer will be paid from the material line properties. So just go in and change the sell price to whatever you're going to bill the customer. Add the warranty labor. Edit the sell price to the amount the customer will be billed. Okay. Process all labor chargebacks as needed. Post the customer invoice. And what happens with that is all of your associated cost, internal cost, are in your software, and your customer has an invoice and you have a record of the warranty. Another option for internal warranties, again, start the work order, add the service package, process the materials and labor, and then use the simple or prorated warranty types. If you're going to use the warranty options to do an internal warranty, okay, you're going to need to set yourself up as a warranty supplier. So in my system, I've set mine up as a shop warranty, okay, because I'm going to be absorbing those costs. And I can, just like I've done with all of the other supplier activity, all that information is going to go back here to purchases. When I go to pending claims, I'm going to see pending claims for my shop, which are the costs that I'm going to absorb. And a lot of guys will go ahead and process those and push them back into a payable account. Let's go back here to the presentation because it's going to tell us, go ahead and post the customer warranty invoice, process the warranty claims, post the warranty claim to the account payable, which is going to be your internal shop warranty. And then what a lot of guys will do is use the account payable adjustment to move these monies out of the payable account and into a warranty expense account. These are just a couple of suggestions. Again, please talk to your accountant or your business coach on how they suggest you process your internal shop warranties. And then if you have any questions, get with your support department or let us know. Guys, we've covered processing warranties, setting up warranties, manufacturer warranties, internal warranties. It's a lot of information to cover. And as always, I've run over a little bit, so let's take some questions here. We've got a question from Darlene. What about the alternator core? The alternator core is going to work just like it does anything else. It's going to be a credit from the supplier. So all of those flow together. In your warranties, it will identify, okay, the items, the cores, and if you're getting credit back for those, they're all going to be processed. If need be, if there's a discrepancy between the amounts, use the adjustment field so that all of these monies are accurate. So cores are processed just like returns and warranties on a warranty item. Eric is asking, once we submit a pending claim, does it send it to the supplier or must we send it to them? We don't do any automatic electronic kind of claim stuff. So yes, you would have to manually submit that. Again, print, email, PDF file, but you would have to physically get it to the supplier for processing. Yeah, so it doesn't send it. You manually have to do that, Eric. Okay, Brandon, can we default a supplier, example Napa, under vendor? No, you cannot. There is no default because we buy from several different people, so there is no setup for a default supplier. You'd have to select the supplier every time. Brandon again is, what is the best way to do the warranty adjustment? Individual line, talk to your accountant, talk to your business coach. Those are the people that are going to best advise you. If you're asking me, you know, my opinion doesn't matter. It's the people that are going to help you analyze and measure the profitability of your business. So either adjustment is good. Talk to your accountant, talk to your business coach. Robert, what about separating the times from pending claims versus warranty claims on the report? About separating the times. Don't really understand, Robert. Let me read the next question. Can you review what happens to the amount the vendor doesn't pay rather than some of it or all of it. Again, that's going to be the same question Brandon is asking is, about these adjustments. Okay, so talk to your business coach. Again, the only difference between the two is the adjustment from the ribbon menu is going to be a general adjustment. So it's going to go into a general warranty credits. Okay, the line item adjustment, whether it's a labor or a material line, will go to a material warranty adjustment, or if it's a labor warranty adjustment. But again, talk to your accountant what's best for them. Is there any way to keep a record of both of those values after posting and closing the warranty claim? It all goes into the general ledger. So it's all available for viewing in the general ledger. So again, more specifically, if you do the line item adjustment, okay, it's going to go to that line, and you're going to know whether it's parts or labor. If you do the general claim, it's just going into a general expense account. It doesn't know whether to apply it back to parts or labor. I hope that helps, Robert. Kenny is asking, what is the message on the main ribbon? Messaging has nothing to do with today's conversation, so hopefully we'll get to that down the road. Sorry, Kenny. In my experience, the cores go under the returns and not with the warranty claim. That causes us a lot of confusion with our vendors when processing the warranty. Could well be. What I probably suggest you do, Darlene, is maybe get with your support department and deal with those specifics. I understand what you're saying. The core would, in your case, you're saying the core goes into a return bin instead of into the warranty bin. If the supplier processes the credit on the core and the item on the same credit slip, okay, then it's going to be your best bet to process two credits, one from the returns, one from the warranties. They'll be the exact same credit slip number, and the only difference is it's going to make two entries into the payable account with the same credit slip number instead of one. If you've got some ideas to help us with that, on how that could work better, we call those feature requests. I'd strongly encourage you to send something in so we can try and look at some options to help you fix your problem with that. Okay, Robert is asking, separating the amount or ET, or at least making it in the report. Robert is also asking, wanting to know how much lost revenue was unpaid by the supplier. Again, Robert, all of these are your adjustments, okay? The best answer I can give you is if your supplier is not paying what you've submitted, use the adjustment. Whether you use the general adjustment, specific adjustment, talk to your accountant, talk to your coach, they will all be entered into the general ledger. I do not know that they will be reported on any reports, the adjustments. They would all be in the general ledger themselves. So sorry, I can't get more detail than that. Really, I would encourage you to talk to your coach. If your coach suggests something, or your accountant, you can't figure it out. That's why we have the support departments to help you guys with. What reporting can I get on tech warranties? If you use the time clock would be a real good one. There are other reports in there on technician productivity, hours sold, all these types of things. So there probably is some abilities. I'm not 100% sure exactly which report I would point you to, but look under the technician and the time clock, and that's most likely where you're going to get those. What I'd probably suggest is create some sort of time clock activity called warranties, and when your guys are doing warranty work, have them clock in under warranty, whether it's internal warranty, whether it's manufacturer warranty, and then you can sort all that time spent by those time clock entries. Can I get a report showing what the supplier owes? Yes, unfortunately, I just didn't have time to get to that so far today. So yes, that is going to be under your return items. We looked at that last week. Your return item reports are going to include return items and warranty items. Okay, so all return items will include both. I'm sorry, not the tech warranties, but the reports on the warranties outstanding. Again, your reports, return items. In the software, the return items are going to give you Okay, your return item reports are going to give you that we combine them because they're all really considered returns. Return item listing, items to be returned, return item summaries, all of those are going to include returns and warranties. So that's where we get that. And remember, you have a lot of features in your reports to sort that kind of information. And if you're good enough, there's even filters and all kinds of things up here. So again, Eric, if you can't get what you want, please let us know. Get with your support department, and we'll try to help you with that specific. Guys, I'm not doing bad today. I'm only 2 minutes over, so a little bit better than last week. I appreciate the questions. I'm sorry I can't give you all a direct individual answer, but the best answer I can give you is get with your support department. That's what they're there for. So any general questions that I couldn't give you specifics on, please contact support. For those of you having problems and thinking maybe we could do the software a little bit different, we're always ready, willing, and able to listen to your suggestions. And I'll close today again by saying we're getting very little response from the people on the webinars. We would really appreciate to hear from you. How did we do? What do we need to change? What other topics do we need to talk about? Listen, it's no different than a customer coming into your shop. You want to hear what they have to say, how you can better improve your service, and what you could do different. So if you could take a little time, give us a little feedback, let us know so we can make these webinars better for you guys. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate it. And we'll hope to see you again on August 10th. And we're going to try and get a topic out a little bit sooner on this this time. So you guys have a great day and hope to talk to you on the 10th.